Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Mercedes-Benz SLK on a 66 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. From the outside of the car, you can see it's a two-door convertible with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the car first. As we approach the back of the car, you can of course see that the roof occupies this top section just here. This is how much space you have with the roof up. As you can see, loads of additional space with the roof back up. In order that you have the roof down, you just need to make sure this cover is in place. The roof then sits above that, and your storage area is the section beneath it. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. Now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see the alloy wheels and bodywork are in pristine condition the whole way around, particularly for the vehicle's age. Just briefly before we climb inside the car, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the speedometer and fuel gauge. On the right-hand side, the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. In the center, you can see the total miles of the car. They are 58,573. You can change the information displayed up here using buttons on the steering wheel for various different menus, including, as you can see, a digital readout for your speedometer. That information is all changed using the buttons on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. We have the minus and plus pedals, so you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. We have our phone controls as well. Over into the central screen area. Firstly, if we turn the screen on with this button, that also is where you will control the volume for the stereo. So once that turns on, we'll be able to adjust our volume accordingly on there. With regards to the rest of the controls on the screen, we have two options. Either use the buttons on this main head unit, or this dial just here, or of course a combination of the two things. So using that dial, I can work my way around all of the options on here, or we can just directly go into certain menus. So for example, if I press nav, we're now in the nav menu, and I'm back to using the wheel again, where I can do various things, including selecting the map. And as you can see, it's a really nice clear color display. Very, very easy system to use. We have our radio. This car has got DAB, FM and AM radio. We've also then got media input along the top just here. This is where you'll listen to your own music. So there's a number of ways of doing that, which is loading up currently, of course. One such way is to pair up your phone and use the Bluetooth audio available in the car. So if we go back up to media, select media, we have our various options. We have a media interface, the Bluetooth audio I just mentioned, a CD player, SD memory card input as well. So loads of ways to listen to your music. Of course, you need to pair up your phone in order that you use the Bluetooth audio. Again, very, very easily done. And as I mentioned, that can all be done from the buttons here, or the disc or wheel, which is what I was using a moment ago. Main volume for the stereo, as I mentioned, is there. The CD player, the ability to answer and end phone calls. We can turn off our stop and start. Our traction control, we can change the driving setup of the car as well. We then have our climate control. So we can adjust the temperature just here, fan speed of the fans, direction you'd like the air distributed in. That's your air conditioning off and back on again from there as well. We can open up this section. In there we have a 12-volt charging socket, some additional storage, and then the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you.